Welcome to Blue Star High Secondary School. Happy morning, children. Have a have a nice day. Be safe. Stay at home, children. Last week we have last session we have discussed about the class textbook. No, building bricks. The same chapter one, building with bricks. Now I'm just showing how to write it in your classwork note. Okay. So again here you have to write it fifth number 5. Write building bricks. Okay, just leave don't include this one. This 5, building with bricks. Okay, then start writing chapter 1. Building with bricks. Topics is there. How many topics, sir? 4 topics. Bricks pattern for Jagriti school, Zanib Munia pattern, Zohla pattern, smoke chimney, a special arc, or Oracle, nickname Ghunkat Wali Mehrab. So this is the mind map you have to draw. Again I'm telling, don't use black pen, children. Use pencil. Okay, just writing here inside, use pencil. Okay, now let's move on to the next dictation words. Dictation was Murshidabad, that is one's place. Tamil, in Tamil, idam. Patterns, design, madiri. Bricks, clay molded in rectangle. Senkarkal. Mason, a person who skilled at making things with bricks. Kottanar. Building, a structure with roof and walls such as house or factory. Kattidam. Okay, now let's move on to the worksheet. Say true or false. A brick is a square shape? No, not at all. It's a cuboidal shape. No, false. Pattern is otherwise is called design. Yes, true. A brick has 13 edges. False. Okay. A brick have 8 corner. Yes, true. Now, Phillips. Dash is the cuboidal shape brick. Jagriti school situated in Murshidabad place. An old tomb of Murshid Kulib was built by 100 years. How many years? 100 years. Now next answer the following. Define bricks. A brick is a building. A brick is a building material used to make wall, pavements and other elements in the masonry constructions. Okay, yeah, already I have shown in my notes bricks, no, about bricks. So the definition only I have given here. Okay, now see here I have drawn this brick. See here, right side view, top view and front view. So see the picture, this one is the top and this one is the side, and front one I have shaded portion. This is the front portion. Okay, next one. Draw all possible arrangement of wall pattern using 5 bricks. Any 3 patterns. So using 5 bricks I have drawn as you like. Not only this, any using only 5 bricks you can draw as you like. Okay, you can change this one, this side, or either as you like. Okay, I have drawn these 3 types. Okay, using 5. See, everyone is 5 bricks only. I am using 3 types, 3 patterns. Okay, now next, how many faces in this figure? So see here I have noted here, this is the first faces, this one is the second faces, and this one is the third faces. So how many faces here? 3 faces. Okay, now draw a square in 2D. 2D is nothing but 2-dimensional shape, and 3D. 3D means 3-dimensional face. So this one is the 2D, 2-dimensional face. This one is 3D, 3-dimensional face. See how many faces you see? 3. So 3-dimensional face. Now detailed answer. If one brick weighs 3 kg, what is the total weight of 150 such bricks? So they have given one weight, one brick's weight is given. One brick weight is 3 kg. Number of bricks is equal to how much? 150. Total weight is what? So you have to multiply the 150 into 3. You will get it 4 450 kg. Now, if the cost of 500 bricks is 6,000, then what would be the cost of the 150 such that, so cost of 500 bricks is 6,000. Cost of 1 bricks we have to find it. So that 6,000 divided by 500, you will cancel it 5 how many times? 12. So 1 bricks cost 12 rupees means what about 150 multiply into 12? You will get 1,800. So 12 bricks cost how much? 1,800 rupees. Okay, next one, second one, Zanip Munia pattern Jali. Next D words, playing to take part in the game, விளையாடுதல், drawing a picture or a diagram made with a pencil, வரைதல், Jali, Islamic architecture, இஸ்லாமிய கட்டிடக்கலை, beautiful, attractive, அழகு. 1 mark fill-ups. A brick has how many edges? 12 edges. A square is 4 sides. A rectangle has no face at all. A rectangle has no face. Yes? Now, let's move on to the next. A soap has 6 faces because soap is cuboidal shape. Yes? A cuboidal box has 8 corners. The number of faces in the bricks is equal to 6. The dice has 6 faces. The brick is a 3-dimensional object. A triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 corners. Okay. Now, put the tick mark. The faces of brick. This is not looking like a brick. No, this is not a shape of a brick. And this one is, yes, this is a shapes look like a brick. So this one as well as this one is a brick. Okay, because it's a rectangle shape. This one is triangle shape. Now calculate and write the answer mentally. This is very easy. If a brick is rupees 1, then 500 bricks will use what? 1 brick is 500. 500 into 1, 500. If the cost of brick is rupees 2, then cost of 1000 bricks is 1000 into 2000. If the cost of brick is rupees 5, then the cost of 2000 bricks is 2000 into 5. So you will get it 10,000. If the cost of 1 brick is rupees 3, then the cost of 4000 is 4000 into 3. You will get it 12,000 rupees. If the cost of 1000 bricks is 3000, then the cost of brick 1 brick is 3000. First you have to find out 3000 divided by 1000. The answer is rupees 3. If the cost of 2000 bricks is 8000, the cost of 1 brick is what? 8000 divided by 2000. You will get it 1 brick cost. 1 brick cost is how much? 4. Now see, this very interesting. In this wall, how many bricks are there? So I have written here, I have mentioned the numbers. So how many numbers? Totally 9. So 9 bricks. So here 14. So total you have to count the bricks and write it. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. 1 brick cost rupees 15. What about 20? It's simple. 20 into 15 is equal to 300 rupees. So the cost of bricks is 300. A contractor pay rupees 5,000 for 500 bricks. Find out the cost of 1 brick. So if you want to find out cost of 1 brick, 5,000 divided by 500. So you will get it 10. So the cost of 1 brick is rupees 10. Now Jokla pattern, a special arc, Ghumkat Wali Mehrab. So this is the mind map you have to draw. Next we will see. Next D words, arc. Built as a monument, கட்டிடக்கலை வளைவு அமைப்பு, bridge, a structure that is built over river, road or railway. You can say it in Tamil. பாலம், chimney. Steam is caused up and out through the roof of a building. புகைப்போக்கி. Now worksheet fills ups. A dash is an architecture, ventilation structures made of masonry. A chimney. What is this? A chimney. Dash is one of the triangle shape pattern on the wall. Jokra pattern. Jokra pattern. Now this is the problem. You have to observe this one. These are each bricks only, tower. Okay, so I have formed this question here. This is salamander towers. This is called full tower name is called salamander. So 3 types of tower name is given. Captain tower, this is flames tower, and tiger towers. Okay, so these 3 towers, using these 3 I have formed a questions. So just observe this carefully, how many bricks is seeing this pattern, this tower, we are going to write the answers. Okay, so you have to observe this tower, observe, and you have to see this carefully, then only you can able to answer this. Now I have formed 6 questions based on this. Okay, see here, we'll see in the questions now. Whose tower is tall? So see here, which one is the bigger one? This one is the name, flames tower. So I have written here flames tower. How many bricks are there in the tiger's tower bricks? 12. You have to count and write. Okay, 12. How many bricks are there in flames tower? These are the bricks. So you count and write. Okay, so I have count and write it here. Flames 12 bricks. How many bricks are there in the captain tower? This is also, just put the number, okay, and add it. You will get it, 17 bricks. How many bricks tall in captain tower? 6. Okay, captain tower, how many is tall? 6. Now next, how many bricks taller is flames tower than captain tower? Flames then captain tower, how much? 3 only. So here 3 bricks. So that's all. So you have to see this one, based on this only you have to answer it. Have you understand, children? Okay, children, after finishing this, one important news I have to say. In PDF, each chapter I have attached one worksheets. Okay, based on the chapter wise I have attached. The worksheet is maximum marks is test. Actually, that is the test for you, children. Maximum mark is 35, but we have to 30 marks you are going to write it. Remaining 5 marks your presentations in the worksheet. Okay, your presentations, your presentations, that means your handwriting as well as your neat calculation. So based on your presentation, that 5 marks will be given for you. Children, have you understand? The worksheet marks is maximum 35. So we have allotted 30 marks as your whatever you are doing will be giving. 5 marks your handwriting, your presentations is neat, means we will give you the 5 marks for your good appearance. Okay, for your neat performance in your worksheet. Okay, have you understand, children? Yes, please read this, please understand this concept, do it at home. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you, children. Bye bye.